Hello, I'm Jerry Zhang, DFI Product Center General Manager. Today we'll talk about fuel in the growth of Edge AI computing. We all know AI is transforming industries, but Edge AI delivers what business needs most: speed, security, and the most efficient. Now let's explore some of the key challenges cloud AI faces and how DFI Edge AI computing solutions are fueling the growth demand of Edge AI. What if your test that depends on only cloud AI to run? Could AI offer great potential, but it also comes with limitations: latency, security risk, high cost, and stability concerns that why integrating Edge AI with cloud AI is the smarter solution. The majority of AI processes are currently performed in cloud-based centers because they require sustainable computing capacity. Here are some shocking facts. One Meta data center produces more than 500,000 tons of CO2 per year. That's like running a 7 million laptop for 8 hours every day for a year. ChatGPT with 13 million users generates 120,000 tons of CO2 annually, equal to over 85,000 round trips from Paris to New York. Gartner predicts AI will use more energy than the human workforce by 2025. It's clear we need a sustainable AI solution. The industry has noticed the importance of Edge AI. By moving data closer to the edge, we reduce latency, enhance and lower energy consumption. This makes edge computing essential for AI deployment, especially in mission-critical tasks. Overall, edge AI is for mission-critical tasks like real-time traffic management, patient monitoring, inventory control, industrial automation, and precision farming, when quick response and data sensitivity are crucial. For big data storage and deep analysis, cloud AI work best. AI at the edge requires powerful distributed computing to process data directly on devices, whereas AI applications need a specialized hardware to function effectively. DeFi provides a wide range of flexible solutions to meet these diverse Edge AI needs. With over 40 years of experience, DFI has built a strong reputation in AI IPC. Let's dive into the real value DFI brings to Edge AI computing. DFI delivers versatile, high-performance Edge AI system with advanced security, customizable designs, and energy efficiency for complex AI environments. DFI's OOB remote management optimized operations, while our Edge workload provides a cost-effective approach. Now let's take a closer look. At DFI, we understand that AI needs vary across applications and industries. That's why we offer a flexible Edge AI solution to meet a wide range of industrial and commercial demands. We offer embedded and fanless system powered by Intel, AMD, Ryzen, and Halo platforms, along with industrial boards such as Mini ITS and ConExpress for seamless integration into Edge AI system. Additionally, we provide NPU integrated solution for both x86 and ARM architectures using platforms like Intel Core Ultra, Qualcomm, and NVIDIA Jetson for energy efficient AI computing across various form factors. Our scalable GPU supported system include in the NVIDIA Quadro RTX 6000, GeForce RTX 4070, and Intel Arc GPU deliver high-performance AI computing ideal for applications like edge AI boxes, in-vehicle AI, medical platform, and the railway system. Edge computing security protect data that resides for or travels through the devices outside centralized data center. It safeguards users and sensitive data at the farthest points on network. AIoT expands strict cybersecurity regulation as necessary, and in industrial environments or high data sensitivity, robust edge security becomes crucial. DeFi partners with powerful industrial leaders to enhance capacity and security, in addition to Microsoft Windows providing regular security update to meet regulatory requirements. Canonical Ubuntu also offer consistent updates to ensure compliance. As the first IPC manufacturer to officially partner in the Ubuntu ODM program, DFI is committed to delivering superior service to its customers. Every number about downtime needs a clear message about avoid it at all costs. For businesses, the average cost of downtime is shockingly high. We are some stats from the Siemens 2023 report. Large factor faced $129 million in annual downtime costs, a 65% rise over 2 years, and the Fortune Global 500 companies lost a staggering $1.5 trillion each year due to downtime. Downtime losses for those companies have increased by 70% in the past 2 years, and also lost 11% of their annual revenue from unplanned downtime. Downtime doesn't just stop production and delay orders. It is only the tip of the iceberg. Beyond lost revenue, downtime brings high hidden costs like restarting production, breach penalties, supply chain disruptions, and ongoing fixed expense. It can also lower employee morale, reduce customer satisfaction, harm a company reputation, and lead to missed business opportunities, further impacting potential income. So how can we address this? By implementing a proactive solution like DFI OOB remote management solution. Do you know that 90% of downtime begins with a simple reboot? Even more surprising, over 70% of devices recover after reboot. So why waste time? Save the trip, reduce downtime costs, and keep operations running smoothly. You can achieve this successfully with DFI OOB remote management solutions. DFI solution brings powerful, cost-effective enhancement to industrial PC applications, supporting both x86 and ARM system, offering up to 70% of server-grade BMC functionality, which provides secure, independent access of troubleshooting and system management, even when the main network fails. Some key features include remote on-off device even during system fail, remote BIOS update even when system shut down, remote BIOS setup and the UEFI shell, remote hardware monitoring and troubleshooting, and remote desktop in-band. One of DFI OOB key strengths is its advanced BIOS update capacity using virtual SPI flash programming and SOL-enabled US storage. DFI demonstrates its technology expertise by enabling flash BIOS flash or updates even when the system is power off. In fact, DFI can ship product without a pre-installed BIOS, allowing it to be programmed remotely, showcasing DFI's cutting-edge technology core capacity. DFI's OOB remote management solution cover 70% of IPMI functions and is special designed for IPC applications. With advanced features like remote BIOS updates, OS recovery during shutdown, and the ability to switch OS before reboot. DFI's OP solution ensures smooth, efficient remote management, reducing downtime and improving performance in critical edge AI operations. DFI workload platform to enable AI for a sustainable future. The one CPU, one function model is still common in IoT application, where different systems are integrated to meet various needs. This approach increases complexity and cost, requiring extra transmission cables, lane switch, and additional materials. The result, higher costs for system integration, development, and energy consumption. The hidden cost of TCO is often overlooked. While many focus on the revenue loss, is the unseen cost, maintenance, downtime, and energy consumption that have the greatest impact on total cost of ownership. Most people only see the tip of the iceberg, but addressing these high hidden costs is crucial for reducing long-term operational expense and truly understanding the full cost of ownership. DFI workload platform is powered by Intel workload consolidation technology, and our partners achieve one CPU multi-function goal. Utilizing Intel VT-C virtual network, secure communication between multiple operating systems allowed them to share resources efficiently, simplifying hardware architecture and reduce deployment costs. Take smart retail, for example, virtualization enable a single CPU system to handle various functions like advertising and vending. It also supports applications from different industries across multi-OS platforms on the same CPU. With Intel CPU featuring integrated NPUs and open VNO technology, large language models can locally on CPU, GPU, NPU, and storage device, enabling edge AI processing. This solution offers offline AI customer service for unmanned IoT applications, cutting labor costs while helping businesses boost revenue through AI integration. The DFI workload platform is designed to be simpler or more cost-effective, power-efficient, and faster. The platform leverages container concept with virtualization technology to enable multiple functions to run simultaneously on a single hardware platform across various operating systems by isolating each function within its own OS. Interference is eliminated, ensuring independent and efficient operation. With DFI workload platform, you can enjoy multi-function like LLM at edge or object detection, multi-OS to reduce development time, multi-OS with security, DFI OOB solution, and the faster data transmission experience only must simplify hardware architecture but also reduce the solution carbon footprint. Performance per watt is a key concept in the new more load and vital step towards sustainable feature. In our comparison, an x86 platform with an Intel Tiger Lake i7 CPU virtualized into 4 VMs was measured against an ARM-based NXP i.MX8, which uses only 5 to 10 watts when running 4 devices. With DFI's workload platform, single core performance can be over 5 times higher at the same wattage, and multi-core performance could nearly double. This workload consolidation through virtualization help industry align with ESG principles, reduce carbon emissions, and lower carbon taxes. Promoting this sustainability. In short, this technology can either help or harm the environment. Secure the future, we must maximize performance per watt, minimize power use, and boost system efficiency, as all while enhancing computational capacity for optimal efficiency. The technology behind our DFI workload platforms concept can be applied across various industries. For instance, in our main hotel front desk, it can function as a self-checking kiosk, advertising display, or vending machine. It can also serve as an information kiosk, providing guests with hotel details such as room location and the breakfast option. If only one specific function is needed, multi-user can simultaneously access this service through virtualization technology, optimizing energy efficiency and supporting ESG initiatives using a single hardware platform. This approach can also extend to retail, integrating POS system, kiosks, digital signage, and civilian for comprehensive solutions. To conclude this section, I invite you to explore the limitless possibility of AI technology with DFI, offering comprehensive solution for both standalone and advanced AI applications. DFI's diverse product line is designed to meet a wide range of needs. As AI models grow more complex, the DFI workload platform and the DFI OOB are here to help you minimize total cost of ownership and reduce downtime expense. We hope that today's webinar provides you with a valuable insight on how to leverage DFI's powerful embedded solution to easily overcome future challenges. Thank you. 哦，我发现刚刚好有一页的内容是重复的，
看一下，
我刚刚有看到，等一下，这样回来，有，
这边直接离开就可以，
我离开
自己。